Davido, mock APC party in Osun state, present Governor Oyetola, after tribunal, declares Ademola Adeleke as winner of Osun governorship election. The Osun State Governorship Election Tribunal has declared Davido uncle, Senator Ademola Adeleke of the People's Democratic Party, as the duly elected governor of Osun State. The tribunal sacked Isiaka Oyetola of the All Progressive Congress Party. Meanwhile, Nigeria musician Davido has quickly taken to his social media page to congratulate his uncle, and also used his media to mock haters and APC party. The tribunal held that the rerun election conducted by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, is illegal, null and void. It urged INEC to withdraw Oyetola's certificate and issue a certificate of return to Adeleke.
Thank you, Lord. We exalt your name. God is bigger than them.
Joe. President, Conway. Stupid.
I'm going to London on the church.
Oh, God. London on the track tonight. Thank God.